Today we are going to read grade 7th, subject English, unit 2nd, part 2nd. As you know that last time we had seen about the part 1st. What was the title of the unit 2nd? A gift of chappals. A gift of chappals. This story is written by Vasanta Surya. So we have started the part 1st. Do you know what was the moral of the part 1st? We should be kind towards the animal. To be kind to the animals. So part 1st was related with the kitten. A small kitten was there, and how the Meena and cousin Mridu and others, how to what that Meena, Ravi and Lalli. So let me tell you 2-3 minutes about the part 1st, and then we will start the part 2nd. Is it okay? Okay, great. Now this is Mridu, and here Meena, you know that, and here Ravi. So these are the cousins, and one of the cousins already Lalli, who was learning the violin. So the whole story is about the kitten. So the moral of the part 1st was we should be kind towards the animal. How these cousins care, love to this animal as a kitten. So that was the part 1st. Ending part of that part 1st was they have heard a sound. And what was the sound? It was the sound of Lalli. Lalli was learning the violin. So I hope we are going to start the part 2nd. Are you ready? Good. Now part 2nd. The part 2nd is here given that Mridu crept up to the window. Here Mridu as well as Ravi and Meena all were looking out through the window. Crept. So it is the part. One question is there in your mind. Sir, the title is related with the chappal and here is no issue of anything, no subject, nothing. No beta. Part 2nd is totally related with the slipper. So let's start. Now here the outside of window Mridu, then Meena and Ravi all were crept. What they had seen? They had seen Mridu crept up to the window. Lalli was sitting little distance away in front of the music master. She was learning the violin. So what happened about that? Awkwardly holding her violin and bowstring, her elbow jutting out and her eyes glazed with concentration. So Lalli was learning the violin with concentration. In front of her there was a music master. I will ask a question. Describe about the music master. Now answer is there. How was music master? Here. In front of her, most of us back to the window was the bony figure of the music master. How was the music master? Bony figure means he was very thin person. Then he had mostly bald headed. How was he? Bald headed. Bald headed means there were no hair on that head. That is called as a bald headed thin person. Then he had mostly bald head with a frame of oil, black hair falling around his ears and old fashioned tuft. Tuft means together of that hair. That is called as a tuft. I will show the picture, that time you can understand. This is the description of music master. Now what happened that a gold chain gleamed around his neck. There was a gold chain, bald-headed, thin music master. So next is given there, and a diamond ring glittered on his hand. There was a diamond ring, then golden, there was a golden chain. And how was he? Thin and bald-headed. Then next is given there, and diamond ring glittered, and down the stem of the violin a large push stuck out from the beneath his gold bordered that vesti edge. Vesti means dhoti. He wore the dhoti. Dhoti is given there. That is the Tamil word is there. So how he was understood? Bald-headed, thin, ring, and a golden chain around his neck. Then next is what given there, and he was beating the time on the floor with his granny big toe. He played a few notes. Lalli stumbled behind him on her violin was just getting the difficulties to learn. This is the description of first para. You understood the part first? Here Lalli was learning the violin. I hope you got about the music master. I will ask the question. Describe about the music master. You will be reading the story. You watch the video. You can understand it. Next part is given there. Bridu. What is given there the next part? Let me. Look at this picture. You can understand it very well. So, can you tell me who is this girl? Lalli. What she was doing? She was learning the violin. She was playing there, and this is the. Who is this? This is the music master. Bald-headed, thin, golden chain around the neck, and here there was a diamond ring. This is the whole description of this part. First, what was the action? Lalli was learning violin. So here, let me explain about these things also. These three cousins, who? Bridu, then here Meena and Ravi. All were watching to whom? To the Lalli. So next part is here. What let me see. And unhappy in her hands, what a difference the music master is not seen to float up and settle perfectly into the invisible tracks of the melody. While she was learning, there was no proper link between the master and Lalli. So she was also getting some difficulties to learning the violin. So here, it was like the wheels of train, see that fitting smoothly into the lanes. Dear student, it's a compare with the rain because it was not proper sound. Just she was learning only. The master was doing something different and Lalli was learning something different. This is the main. We sing aloud as Ravi said, Bridu stare at that hues and then hand moving effortless of the violin step and making lovely music. This is the learning part of Lalli. Lalli was learning violin in front of there, the music master was there. Then squirt there was a Lalli telling that again, Amma came well from the gate, Amma, oh. So that story, the part took the different turn. Now there is a sound of Amma. What the Amma said, here you understood all characters, Bridu and cousins and Lalli. So here, Ravi said that a beggar away. See what happened about that? Ravi said that beggar away cried his mother from the back veranda where she was chatting. This is the turning point of the story. Now this part over of learning violin, and what happened that there was a beggar who came in front of their house to beg, and Amma said that to tell him there is nothing. You go out, and the beggar, what will happen? That is the turning point of beggar. So here, with the Tapi, he has been coming here every day for the past week. There was a beggar who used to come to beg. How many days? The past week. Week means a period of 7 days. So, and it's a charm he founded another house to beg from, and Pati explained to Tapi. Pati, grandmother, told that last few weeks the beggar used to come there, but in this time they were not in a mood out to help him. Dear students, if you know about the beggar part, then you should know about the part second, because that part second is related with totally a gift of slippers. So what is the situation of beggar? Bridu and Meena followed Ravi out. The beggar was already in the garden. Now I will ask the question to you. Describe about the beggar. How was the worst plight, the condition of beggar? Let's see. So what happened that beggar was already in the garden, making himself quite at home. He had spread his upper cloth under the neem tree. Where was the beggar? Beggar was under the neem tree. Upper part of his cloth were took out. So what happened that? Now next, and was leaning against its trunk, apparently prepared to take a little snooze while he waited for the arms to appear. Go said Ravi, because they all were not ready to help him. To whom? Beggar. But beggar was very tired. He was really such a type of situation. He was really helpless. So here, my party said it's time to found another house to bake from. So you go and take the bake from another house. Here is a nothing remain. So all were no in the situation of to help the beggar. Now here the beggar opened his eyes very wide and gazed at each of the children one by one. The ladies of this house, he said at last in a voice chopped with feeling, are very kind souls. The beggar was too much expected. He thought that such a type of people here to him, because he was tired as well as he was very hungry and he thought that these old members will help him, but alas, they were not ready to help him. You got the link of this story properly? The Lallis playing violin, all these things, and after that what happened about it? The beggar. It is a situation of beggar. I will ask the question to you. Describe about the beggar. Now next what is given there? He said at last in a voice of with feeling are very kind souls. I have kept my body and soul together. It means that he was really so tired. He was really so hungry. So here, together on their generosity for a whole week, I cannot believe that they would turn me away. He raised his voice, Amma, Amma, oh, so sad. What is given there? So that, oh, so sad is all white, but it certainly wasn't big. And it began to a deep strong rumble somewhere in his withered belly and came booming out his mouth with his few remaining teeth stained brown and bitter chimney. So you should know this description about the beggar. So now dear students, up to here let me tell you short summary. What is the short summary? Let me tell about the picture of short summary. Now see dear students, in the part first we understood everything. Part second it is the 4 or 5 pages. So we will make a part of answer that. So part second it is not completed, but let me finish the some part of it. So whenever the part second started, at that time Lalli was playing violin. So we have seen that the description of music master and so. After all that, now there is a situation. There is some incident about the beggar. How was the beggar? Very hungry. How was the beggar? Very thirsty. How was the beggar? Very tired. And he was under the neem tree. And they all were not in a mood of helping. But beggar expected too much. So what will happen about that? What the Meena, Ravi, Mridu will do for them? Do for the beggar, that things we will see in the next part. I hope the part second, a gift of Chappal, Vasanta, that writer, you should know everything. Related things we will see next video. If you have any queries, you can contact with me. Okay? Thank you very much.